Alright, welcome back to another packet tracer video. This one is lab 6335, and we are going to be looking at viewing the PDU information sent between a client and a server. So we're going to view this client server traffic sent from a PC to a server when requesting web services. So first we're going to look and observe the traffic between a client and a web server. So we're going to start out by opening up the simulation panel down here. We are going to want to edit the filters first. Make sure it's only HTTP and TCP. Good. Then we are going to add, we are going to add a complex PDU right here, and we are going to add that to the external client. I'll bring up our create complex PDU box. The first thing we want to do is set this to HTTP. For destination address, we want the Cisco Learn server, which is up here. For the starting source port, we want 1000. For simulation settings, we want periodic interval of 120 seconds, and then we can create that. And now we're going to just look at the traffic flow by using the auto capture button and speed it up and watch it until the end. So as we see, it moves from the external client to the switch to the internet, onto the other switch into the server, and back again. So we're going to slow that down and look at a few of these here. And if you double click on one of the events, it will show you the PDU information for that event. And you'll be able to see the all the packet information, packet and header information. So if we're looking at the OC model, it displays within which layer the OC model the packet is being processed. Right here shows which layer it is in. And depending on what switch it's going to is, or which switch it's currently in, depends on which layer it will be. A switch will only display the packet to layer 2, and a PC or a server will display it up to layer 4. So if we move on to the inbound PDU details, we'll be able to see the packet that's actually sent. If you look at the and here we have the source IP and the destination IP within the packet here. And then on the outbound here we have the MAC address up at the top in the header, and the source and destination down here. And so we can just look through a few of those. Let's see. Let's look at one that's at the remote switch. So, as we said, the switch will only show up to layer 2. And you've got your MAC address up here on both of these. And then let's look at one from the external client here. So this one is the beginning of sending the packet, so it only has the outbound here, but the OC is displayed to level 4, to layer 4 here, and then it does have the outbound. But that's the start of a new cycle at that one. And let's look at one at the server. So the server also displays up to layer 4 here. And we got the MAC address, source and destination IP on the inbound and the outbound. So that is a little bit about how you view the PDU information sent between client and server. Thank you very much.